Dirty Bird here. Super excited to introduce our new lid certs. What this does is let you put speakers in your lids without painting them. So basically what you'll do is you'll put this piece right here in. It comes with instructions, of course. You'll trace this around, you'll cut out your lid, you'll flip it over, you'll put the other side on with the grill. The 6x9, you can put the biggest, gnarliest 6x9 you want in there. Some of those other lid certs that are out there, the speakers are breaking off. You ain't breaking this one off. The 6x9 bolts right down in there. There you have it. Right now we're selling them raw, but we're figuring out how to sell them with this piece painted. There's also a 6.5 insert for you guys that want to use those big Bemas or those other 6.5s. This 6.5 insert bolts right on top of there, and there you have it, 6.5s. Check it out on the website, Dirty Bird Concept. We also have an instructional video on YouTube that you can access from our website. It's pretty long, but it gives you, besides the instructions that come with this, it gives you the full start to finish install. Remember, YouTube. Thank you.